So let's get into Project Online and start talking about that. To access your Project Online site, you'll be given a path. So we'll put that in project.microsoft.com. If you're not currently signed in, it'll ask you to sign in, and then you'll move on to a page that is similar to this. And from here, taking a look down at the bottom, well, I can see my recent projects are listed here, any projects that are shared with me, created by me, but I want to jump over into Project Web App because we are talking about Project Online. So overall, if you've used Project Desktop, what is Project Online? Well, obviously we know it's a web-based tool. Here we are in a browser accessing it. So it's a web-based tool. Yes, it's really great for managing and tracking projects and resources online. It is an entirely separate service that's based on your subscription. It does work with Project Web App and Project Online Desktop Client, which is the subscription version of Project Professional. So what's interesting to know about it is we use both pieces. So even though you have Project Online, you'll still use Project Desktop. They work together in combination, in coordination with each other. And you'll see as we go through these lessons that not everything can be done in Project Online. It's great for sharing, it's great for collaborating, it's great for making certain updates, but you can't do everything up here, which is why it's important to know both programs. So things like setting your tasks to automatically be in auto mode. Can't do that in Project Online. We have to do that through desktop. Setting up projects so that it's scheduled from the finish date. Using other task linking methods other than a finish to start. We can only use finish to start in here. The task information dialog, certain things about resource over allocation, only can be done in Project Desktop. So you'll use the two of them together. Keep that in mind. So before you make yourself crazy, looking for something, can't find it, getting stressed out, just keep that in mind. It may not be a feature available through online. You may have to go into desktop to actually access it. So take a quick peek here. We're taken to this site, and down the left side, we can see our projects in the quick launch. This link takes me to the Project Center, and I can see a list of different projects. There's a button right here that'll take me into Project Professional Desktop, where I can make additional updates should I need to. Very nice. Right, and here we can see the project start date and finish date, the percent complete, and the work. If I give it a click, well, it's kind of cool because it really does resemble Project Professional, the desktop version. When we come in initially, we're taken into a view that looks like regular good old Gantt chart view. Yes, our entry table and our Gantt chart. So it's similar enough, familiar enough that we can get by. Some things are different. Obviously, we're looking at the ribbon tabs across the top, which we'll get into later. They're different. Not every option is going to be found, but yeah, it's similar enough that it's not going to blow you away. So tune into the next lesson and let's get started.